Hey, how's everybody doing today? Hey, today's video, we're gonna get this thing ready for a Tusk counter shaft sprocket replacement seal. Picked it up from Rocky Mountain ATV, along with a few other little things. We're waiting for them to get the package here. It says out for delivery. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna get into this. We're gonna get our tools together, and we hope you stick around. And also, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for future notifications, because we're just getting started. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is remove your axle nut and we'll loosen it up. I'm actually going to remove the rear tire so that I can grease the axles and the suspension for the rear linkage. Anyways, you're going to roll the chain off like so to get it out of the way to give you enough space to remove it from the sprocket. So you're going to go ahead and use an 8mm for the lower bolt, and the upper bolt is a 10mm right here. Go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and take your chain guard and set it to the side. This next step, you're going to use a 17mm socket on an impact to go ahead and spin this bolt loose. They can be Loctited on, they can be difficult to get off. You're going to go ahead and roll your chain off your front sprocket. This would be a very good time to check it for wear. What you're going to want to do is grab a rag, clean this cap off. This cap can be removed with a pick or a small screwdriver. Be very careful not to damage anything on the case. Now, this does have this little O-ring. Be very careful not to leave that inside the case. And this is the Tusk seal remover that I got from Rocky Mountain. You're going to want to go ahead and put it between this output shaft and the seal, gently prying on it. You might have to do it several different little locations. Be careful not to nick the side case. Now this kit from Tusk, as I mentioned before, as you can see on this list, it has quite a few different little parts. You will only need 2 parts off of this, which is the O-ring and the counter sprocket seal itself. Go ahead and go through, pick out what you need, measure them up, make sure they match, and get the right one lined up.